Okay, are we ready? So let's go, guys. Let me see. Let me see on the chat. 48 messages. Okay, amazing. Yeah, now I can see. Amazing, amazing. The fire's already started. I love it. I love it. I love it. Nice, nice, nice. So, guys, today for you who know or don't know, I don't know, but today is more a training session. If me and Diego we see any opportunity, you know how the market is on Monday. We don't want to lose your money. We don't want to lose money ourselves as well. If we see any good opportunity over 5, 6 confirmation trade, then we're gonna call a trade. If it's just 2, 3 confirmation, like we call it during the week, or 4 confirmation, we're not even gonna go. We're not even gonna bother that. So I'm gonna share the screen now, and I'm gonna go through some training. I'm gonna go through some stuff. After Diego is going to explain cash trap, guys, which most of you should use. Cash trap is very important. You don't need to wait for my sessions with Diego or for other educators. You can go on your own and you can start trading on your own. So guys, first thing first, like I say, always keep track on your trades. Always have a plan. Control your emotions. Always know how much you wanna. What's your percentage? What's your goal for the day? You need to know what's your goal for the day. Without knowing your goal, without knowing the percentage that you're gonna risk, you cannot go. Treat it as a business. First thing, treat it as a business. If you want to get treated as a business, if you want to get paid as a business, if you want to become $1 million account and $1 million trader, $1 billion trader, guess what? You need to treat it as a business, because if you treat it as a game, he's gonna play with you. You don't want to do that. You want to treat it as a business. So guys, like I said, we keep track on our trades. You can use Google Sheets. You can use like on your notebook. You can use different stuff, whatever you want to use. But you need to know with what balance you start, what balance you finish during the day, how many trades you take, how many rollovers. I have maximum to rollovers. I have my profit. My goal for the day is 10%. My risk is 5%. So guess what? If I lost my 5%, I'm out. Or if I lost my if I won, even if I didn't won 10% straight away, you don't need to stay to get. If you see like the market is playing with you and it's not like the best how you want it, guess what? You can even get out with 5 or 8%. That's okay. Or even with 3%. Or even break even is much better than losing, if you think. So guys, you need to have that mindset, that long-term mindset. And then after that, we come here in Forex Factory. All of you must know this app. We come in the Forex Factory, we check the news. For example, the day looks good. We might call any trade, Diego. It looks good. We don't have no news at all. It looks amazing. I like it. And then after that, you check the sessions, which session you would like to trade. We like the session here when it's overlapping London, New York session as well. This is Eastern time, by the way, just so you guys know. And then after that, I'm going in trading view and I'm opening cash trap as well in the same time. For the cash trap, Diego is going to go and he's going to explain. I'm going to go through some simple stuff. I'm going to explain you guys. And then after Diego is going to explain on cash trap. So after checking the news, why do I come into the trading view? Let's say I use a pair. Let's go here. Let's go to USD JPY or Euro JPY is some of the pairs that I really like. Okay, Euro JPY looks very good. I really like this pair. Okay, amazing. Why do I go to the daily candle? I go to a daily candle, guys. And by the way, let your team to come on this training. This is a training session which everyone should be on. This training session is very important, guys. It's very important. It's even more important than getting a bag. It's very important, because we're going to teach you how to become independent trader and to learn by yourself. All the other 4 days from Tuesday till Friday, you're going to get the bag. But Monday, because we don't really we're not used to very much with the Monday market. So what we do training more, because we think is even more important from one point. So guys, I go in a daily chart. Like I said, I go in a daily chart. I come here, I catch the last candle. I put a resistance bar. I make it a little bit thick, this one. Just a second. I make it a little bit thick. I put the support line as well. So one from the top and one from the bottom. I'm going to make thick this one as well. And after that, I'm breaking it from the daily. I'm going to the 4-hour. Okay, so through the 4-hour, now we see more stuff. We see more close stuff. We see a lot of stuff now here, closer to this. Now to the 4 hours, we see if we have any trend. At the moment, it's not trending. At the moment, it's consolidating. So I'm not gonna put, for example, if you go here a few days ago, I seen a trend And then guess what? I went and I marked that trend. So I have marked it just right here. So like, as you see now here, we don't see any trend. And then here is more consolidating. The market is consolidating, and we're gonna go here. We're gonna put some more. We're gonna check after the hourly one. Like now we're coming even more closer. We're going to the hourly one. I'm gonna add some more lines, guys, some support and resistance. So the green one or blue, whatever is easy for you to use, I use it for support, guys. And then the red one, we use it for resistance. Okay. What's the difference here? Okay, so I'm gonna make it a little bit more lighter, this one. Okay. No, my bad. Okay, you can make it a little bit more lighter. Okay, nice. So now we see this area. I really like this area right here. Right here it looks a very good area. Really looks a good area. After the hourly time frame, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna break it into the 50 minutes. I'm gonna break it into the 50 minutes. As you can see now, you see more close, you see more stuff, you see more, you see the market in a closer time frame, which you can see more deep stuff in more details. So actually, Euro JPY looks very good for a call opportunity. It really looks for a call opportunity very good, or probably the next candle. 1 second. I'm gonna draw some more lines, guys. I'm gonna draw some more lines. Just be patient. Okay, I really like this area right here. Like I said, I'm gonna take a rectangle as well. I really like this area. Here before was a support area, and after it turned into a resistance area, and after again in support area. So I really like this area here. Okay, nice. I can drag a little bit more down. Okay. So even here, if I see any trend, like for example, it's kind of like a trend, it's no exact trend. I'll go here.
What are you doing, babe? Open the bathroom door.
Can you guys please mute yourselves? Okay, so I'm gonna take the trend line here. Okay, here we see actually a breakthrough. He's not gonna respect it around this area here. 200, we can call it 200 for a call. Euro JPY, for example, if it comes at around 200 area, I'll go for a call, because right here I've got a strong support area in a daily candle, which is very strong. That means it's a daily candle. It might not even come there at all, because it came 240. Sometimes it doesn't come all the way there, but I'll probably take it at 210 or 220 maximum. I'll definitely take it. I'll see how it goes. And here now we see more stuff. This one already broke this trend line. It broke through. And then even if it carry on to break through, still it will come to one point and push again down. So after the 15 minutes time frame, I go into the 5 minutes time frame. This is the way how I trade, guys. And then I check for more confirmations on a cash trap as well. If I get the arrows on cash trap, guess what? I'm going for a trade. I check this in the same time. I get another 1 second. Okay, I get the minute as well, the minute time frame. Actually, it came all the way to 910. That's impressive. Wow. It came before. That's impressive. But it's pushing. Is it this? No, this is GBP JPY. Let me just. Okay, yeah. Nice. Yeah, just right there, 240. It's a bit hard to come more down, but never know the market. Market does move a lot. So guys, I'm gonna check the 1 minute. When I'm gonna trade, I'm gonna check the 1 minute time frame, and I'm gonna check the 5 minutes as well. So in the 5 minutes, when I keep on in the 5 minute, I go add the stochastic RSI as well. So for you guys that you are new as well, I'm gonna add stochastic RSI as well. So as you can see here, this is DMI and this is stochastic RSI. You can get the settings, guys. You can get a screenshot of this. You can get any screenshot, and I use this divergence indicator as well. So if this one is gonna push up as well, if I get a confirmation here that this one is getting pushed up, this one is crossing up, you know, I'm just gonna go for a call trade. So that's one of the opportunities. I'll probably call it because it's gonna be more than 5 confirmation trade. So I don't know what's the let me just check 1 second. Currency strength meter. Okay, this is not about this livecharts.co.uk currency strength meter. You have to be careful, guys. You have to be careful because you have to reload every 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes, you know. You have to reload all the time because it always changes. It doesn't change itself. It doesn't refresh itself. So I can see here euro is very weak at the moment and JPY is stronger. But where we might get in a half an hour time frame, we might get a change there, because in a half an hour or in an hourly candle, we see a lot of changes always, all the time. So 1 second, guys. Okay, so I can see euro is very weak. I don't know how it's on a cash trap. Or is another app is called Currency Heatwave, which I use as well. I'm actually gonna go and check it there quickly. 1 second. Okay, so I see, yeah, euro is very weak. But JPY is losing strength as well. JPY is losing a lot of strength. So I'll share the cash trap as well, just so I have it here. Anyway, Diego is gonna go through cash trap, guys. So please take notes because this is important stuff here. Like, I want to teach you, all of you, to make money by your own, like not just always wait me, Diego, or other educators, you know, when they trade in live. It's more important to learn by yourself. So as we can see here, it's pushing down. It broke through this EMA where I had exactly the EMA, I guess it is the 1 second. Yeah, look, exactly the EMA where I put that trend line in a 50 minutes is the trend line as well, you know, exactly at the EMA and the 5 minutes EMA. So I would say this one definitely is going to push up and is going to continue down, but we want to see more confirmation where we're going to come. So let's say if I get an arrow again, now it is 1 more minute on a cash trap, and Diego is going to explain the point, guys, on a cash trap. So here I'm going to wait. Guys, please mute yourselves. Okay, amazing. So I'm gonna wait for a confirmation, guys. I'm gonna wait for a confirmation. For example, what I'll do in a half an hour, so in a 30 minutes time frame or in an hourly time frame, we always get good confirmation. We see the market to reverse. You know, so if I do in an hourly, it just came here. This is the 30 minutes time candle time frame. Okay, so this mostly looks after 5 minutes is gonna push a lot. The way how I see it, it might even break through, but guess what? If it breaks through, then after we're gonna take puts. Like I said, this is not a session of taking trades. We're gonna go more into the training stuff. I think we got again another arrow. I guess in the next 2-3 minutes, if it drops at least to 240 again, to 220, 240 around that area, depends how you see the market moving. then we can take it for a call. Like this looks a very good opportunity. I can see here a very good opportunity. So I don't want to miss this opportunity, even though we are in a training call. I don't want to miss these good opportunities. So guys, if you want to see, look, we are in a 30 minutes time frame here. Here it pushed up, it played a little bit here, came down, it pushed again up, came down, and it'll push again up mostly. So look, when it pushed up, it was exactly in our time frame. And then let's see again here. Again here, when it pushed up, it was in a 30 minutes time frame. So look 4:30 or 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. So it did exactly the same thing. Like that's the power when the reversal happens. Most of the time it does happen in an hourly time frame. So let's say when it's like 10 a.m. or 5 a.m. or 2 or 3 or whatever, or like let's say like 2:30, 5:30, 12:30, whatever, you know. So in a 30 minutes and 1 hour, it changed a lot. It does in a 50 minutes as well, but the strong ones more often they happen in an hourly and in a 30 minutes, guys. So I'll love all of you to take notes and to see this one, see why the opportunity, we're taking the opportunity here. Still moving here around this area. This is a very strong support area, guys. Just so you all know, this is a very strong support area. So I'll definitely say in the next 2 minutes if we see to push down, because I can see still it wants to push up. Diego, what do you think about this? Can you hear me, brother? Because I think you are muted.
Yeah, I would wait for the 30-minute candle as well. Yep. But it's looking good. USD JPY is pretty much doing the same.
Is it USD as well, JPY?
Yeah.
So yeah, USD JPY, the same thing as well. Euro JPY, USD JPY, and is nearly the 30 minutes. You know, look, USD JPY is very good. It crossed DMI, cross stochastic RSI, is definitely gonna push up. So we can do a light risk, guys, here, and Diego after can take it and can explain you cash trap. Yeah, here it was a resistance area before, brother, USD JPY, and now it's turning into a support area. So round 9, it pushed a lot, around 900. What is now is 940. So if it comes, I don't know, I would love to take it as low as I can, but you already pushed. You already pushed. USD JPY. Yeah, it just said 903, but we crossed stochastic RSI. You know, you can take a trade, guys. Let's take a little. You know, don't take very hard trades. Take a 3 minutes trade around 940, 930 area. I took a trade right there, and brother, you can take it. It's all yours. You can explain the cash trap. I'm just gonna stop sharing the screen.
Awesome.
I can stop
Man,
sharing.
this is a perfect setup to explain. I love it. Let me share my screen.
Okay, I just gave you access so you can explain as well.
Okay, perfect. Share. Okay, guys. So I was watching this USD JPY, and this is pretty much what we're looking for whenever we're trading with cash trap. Okay, I know that USD is a little bit weaker than the JPY, but they're pretty much the same there at 30, right? So what I always look for, whenever I'm trading with cash trap, I always look for the up arrow and then the strength meter, right? But here it's pretty much even. Whenever it's even, you can take a call or a put. Okay, guys. So here, the candles came to this green Bollinger Bands. Okay, so whenever you guys see this price coming to the Bollinger Bands, right? So we have the green and then the red Bollinger Bands. Whenever it's coming, to the red Bollinger Bands, we want to sell. We want to put. Okay, whenever it's coming to the green Bollinger Bands, we want to call it. We want to buy it. Okay, so price came to this area. Okay, gave us this support area. Okay, cash trap gave us the support area. This is the one. There it is. Beautiful. So cash trap gave us the support area. So that will be 1 point for the support that cash trap just draw it for us. Okay. Touching the Bollinger Band, that means 1 more point. Okay, one more point for touching the boundary band. So we have 2 points there. Okay, we have 3 points because of the arrow. It's an up arrow. Okay, the currency, you know, I know now is the USD is stronger actually. So that will be one more point. So that will be 4 points. Okay, RSI and stochastic. Let me go back here. Yeah, RSI and stochastic is crossing up and crossing up. So we have 2 more points there. Okay, so we have 6 points plus we have this B here. So we have a 7-point trade here with cash trap, and look what happened. Okay, look how much. Look at this. This is insane. You know, it came to this area and boom, it completely shot up after, you know, the candle open, and that's insane. You know, whenever you have a 7-point confirmation, guys, you can absolutely take those trades and the market switch around easy. So I always look for 7 points, you know, 6-7 points, right? And we have this EMA here as well. Okay, so the EMA here, guys, is pretty much 200, the average of the 200 candles. Okay, so it's telling you if it's in an uptrend or it's in a downtrend. Here we can see it's in an uptrend. Okay, so you're always looking for to buy whenever it's in an uptrend. Okay, whenever you see this going down, if you see the market going down, it's in a downtrend, so you're always looking for put. Okay, so here it was an amazing setup, amazing setup. I always look for those points whenever I am trading. Okay, did you guys clear that trade? Let me know in the chat if you guys cleared that trade.
I cleared the Euro JPY and the USD JPY. So if you guys took Euro JPY as well, you definitely cleared. They both went like 50 points in profit, both of them. So guys, look what happened when you are with a clear mind, like how easy you can make money.
Everybody clear. Look at that. I love it.
You went 50 points in profit.
Was amazing. This setup was amazing, guys. Amazing. Pretty much. Look, if you guys see this setup with 7 points, I always, you know, take the trade with 3% of my account. That's what Matty Pips is always teaches us. You know, whenever you see a 6 or 7 point confirmation, you guys can take a 3% of your account. You know why? Because we have so many confirmations telling us that the market is going to reverse. And this is what happened here, right? This is what happened here in the market. That was a perfect setup, brother. That was amazing setup with Cash Trap. So let me know in the chat if you guys have any questions about Cash Trap, guys. Do you guys have any questions about Cash Trap? That was pretty simple, this trade.
That was, man. And did you took Euro JPY as well?
I couldn't take any of them. I was just.
It's okay. They got, probably everyone took those. Like I took Euro JPY as well because I seen it's pushing the 300 area, and that's why I took it. I seen there, but I left it to speak because you're speaking as explaining the cash trap. But that was pretty much the same. Like if you go on Euro JPY, it did the same thing as USD JPY. It just did exactly the same thing. And when this happened in a 30 minutes time frame, like this, like people told it, like let's wait a little bit, be patient. Boom, we take the trade, we clear, we make the money. That's it. And like he said, you can put 3% of your account, but not in any trade putting 3% of your account. It doesn't work like that.
Yeah. 100%. And that was my mistake, to be honest. You know, so sometimes I always took, you know, the trades with 3%. No, guys, you gotta understand, you know, what are the confirmations that are giving you. You know, if it's only 4-5 confirmations, just trade with 0.5 of your account, 1% of your account. If it's giving you 6 to 7 confirmations, you guys can go for a 3% trade. You know, so that. This was an amazing setup, guys. Hopefully you guys took this trade. Hopefully you guys cleared. This was an amazing setup. But the best time to take trades with Cash Trap, I like it whenever it's in the consolidation area. Okay, so let me see if there is any pair consolidating.
I guess Diego, he's asking more the time like of the day, you know, somebody's asking. And in my opinion, I think in the morning, especially after Mati trades, you know, when it goes midnight in Eastern time, after Mati trades that time, the cash up, it works best. But
This hour right now is pretty good. This hours right now is morning for us. It will be at night for us after Maddie. So it'll be like around 11 o'clock, around midnight for us here. And then in the morning right now, so we'll be like 10 in the morning, 9 in the morning for us. That will be the best times to trade. Do we need to look for volume? You can always look for volume in your let me just double check in your currency heat wave. You always can look for the volume. The volume it's accurate. It's accurate. You know, if you look at the volume in your currency heat wave, you know, you can pretty much see what's going on, you know, with the strength of the pair, right? So it's good. You always can look at the volume just to have the extra confirmation as well, guys. You know, always you guys are looking for more confirmations to take the trade, right? So if you have more and more and more and more and more confirmations, that's amazing. That's amazing. Okay. Any other questions? Any other questions? Let's see.
Can you explain how is the euro beating the USD at this moment?
Sorry?
How is the euro beating USD at this moment?
What you mean by that? Like,
what's the point of the euro going up and up and up and up and up and it's so weak?
Because it's not weak. Euro, like, look, what people they take wrong, they see euro has been weak for a while. It's been pushing down. So in this 30 minutes time frame, euro started to reverse now. And now we start the currency to change. But because he was watching before, it was very weak. If you see now, euro is gaining strength. A lot of buyers coming in euro and the market moves up. And that's why, because it was all the way, it was pushing down and euro was weak. It was a lot of sellers. If that makes sense for you. And now
okay.
pushing up, it cannot just go straight away from one strength to go to 8 strength straight away. It doesn't work like that. You'll push, like, you know, it will push to 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, slowly it's going to grow. If you see euro, if it's going to carry on going up, you're going to see euro is going to be stronger in the currency strength meter. That's why currency strength meter is important, but not that much important. Like, you need to see, you need to do analysis in the market. You need to see the market, what we was doing before. What the market was doing before, where is the support area, where is the resistance area, what I explained in the trading view and what Diego explained in the cash trap. So those two together is mind-blowing.
Yeah.
Like trading view, you know, like I do my analysis and go on a cash trap, get the confirmations, man. Like I go like more than 7, 8 confirmations. So those trades, they're like, please take me, please trade me. Those are the trades that you're going to lose 1 out of 10. About this, I can guarantee you. No more than 1 out of 10. Those trades are, but what we do sometimes, we rush and we want to take many trades because we want to win a lot of money and we want to go crazy. And what happened? It happened that you're not taking exact and good trades. You're not going good in the market. You're going with your emotions. You are greedy and you want to make more money.
100%, 100%. So let me just repeat for you guys. I see some people in the chat asking for the 7 points. Okay, so write it down this. Okay, so arrow 1 point. Okay, arrow 1 point. Strength meter, 1 more point. Okay, so those are 2 points. A stochastic and RSI, okay, those are 2 more points. Okay, so we got 4 in total. The RSI and stochastic is whenever it's crossing up or crossing down. Okay, so we count as points. Okay, so that will be 4 points. Okay, support and resistance that cash trap gives us. Okay, the red and green lines. Okay, boundary bands will be the other one. Okay, those boundary bands that you guys see in the top and in the bottom of the chart. Okay, that will be 6 points. And then we have the B and the S that tells us to buy or to sell. Okay, so that will be the 7 points that we have with cash trap. Whenever you guys see a trade with those 7 points, oh my gosh, take it because it's amazing. You know, it's amazing. And then whenever you have your trading view, and you see the support and resistance and it's giving you a 7-point trade, oh my gosh, it's amazing, guys. It's amazing. Any other questions? Thank you for writing down in the chat all the 7 points.
Yep. So guys, ask anything because this is a Q&A and it's a session that me and Diego, we going through the market. So anything that you feel, what is stochastic? Okay, stochastic, I can share the screen. Stochastic is this one here, guys. Stochastic RSI. You can use only stochastic, or you can use only RSI, or you can use stochastic RSI. It's pretty much the same. So Mele, if you go in on videos in Academy has, so guys, if you go here, if everybody checks, I'm gonna share real quick. So if you go here, if you watch the videos in Academy, you click at the Academy, click at HFX, and you should watch these guys at least 5 times each video. So if I scroll down here, it might look nothing for you, but if I scroll more down here, you're going to see here support and resistance, trend lines, pullback, breakout versus fake out, scalp swing trading. You can see all this here. So you can see here, mastering RSI, mastering stochastic for HFX. So 307 mastering stochastic for HFX. Guys, you must watch all this stuff. You must watch here, identifying reversal points. Like here, you've got amazing strategies. And these, they are not YouTube videos, but this is videos from educators that they took their time to make these videos. Not everybody has access to those videos. The people that have access is only the ones that have access, the subscription to our academy. The same how the people have access to Cash Trap, they are only the people that are in our academy. So guys, you must watch all this stuff, how to use Fibonacci, how to, the settings that you watch most of the time, the break even concept, like every single thing, look. And this is videos that are 2, 3, or 5 minutes videos that they explain everything step by step. After those videos, guys, I repeat this all the time. You want to learn how to use Cash Trap, what Diego was explaining now, you can go on Go Live. If you want to listen from Matty Pips himself, you can go on Go Live. You can go at the schedule. You guys should use all this stuff.
Yeah, can you click in his let me show them a video that talks about all the points and all that. Clicking in his channel, Matty Pips channel.
Yeah, I'm gonna go now, brother. Okay, so if I go, guys, look at this. I'm gonna go with Matty Taylor channel. It should be in a favorite one. He pointed Cash Trap, isn't it? Okay, so guys, you came here, Matty Thayer. You click favorite sessions.
Those two, Cash Trap breakdown, must watch, and new Cash Trap explanation, simple 2-0. Those 2 videos, he's gonna talk a lot more about these points.
Don't miss, guys. Don't miss these videos. It's a 40 minutes video and a 50 minutes video. If you want to master Cash Trap and if you want to make money, even on your own, let's say you're working with me and Diego trading. Let's say like you cannot even catch the educators because you work in 2 or 3 jobs, whatever. Whenever you come from work, whenever you come home, before you go to sleep, you open your laptop or before you go to work, and then you can trade with the Cash Trap on your own. And how to buy Cash Trap is only 22 bucks. And it is worth it, guys, because that much money, you can make it in minutes, easy. And the money what you're paying for the academy, easy. Probably not in the beginning because your 5%, it might be $10 or $20 or $30, whatever. But after a month time, by growing your account and being disciplined, trust me that nothing is going to matter. Like you need to use the products that is here. Me and Diego, we don't have any secret sauce. We don't have anything like we're hiding behind when we're not with you guys. Like, look, me and Diego, we took our accounts 2 weeks ago, and with the $500, we turned it. He went 2,000, I went 1,500. So this is some simple stuff that we've been trading with you guys. We haven't traded alone. We have other accounts. That we trade alone, and we kept these accounts only for you. And it's no way that you haven't made money. Is no way that you haven't made money, especially all this last month that we're doing. We've been having an amazing, winning rate. So these videos, everybody must watch. You have a lot of videos in a favorite session. Go always. And is another video which explains Liberty, guys. Liberty is the one right here. And this one becomes free, and this one you have access when you are into the academy. How to use Liberty? Liberty is again easy. Go at Nes Vasquez. He's the GOAT. He's the one who created HFX. And then he hasn't put it, I think, in a favorite, but what you can do, you can search video here, write it Liberty down, and then here you go, Liberty 2.0. He explains step by step every single thing. So somebody else has any other question? Somebody else, any other question? Please, one more time, support and resistance. Okay, support and resistance, I said I go in the daily time frame and I mark the candle from the top and from the bottom. And after I go into the 4 hours, I see for trend lines. If it's not trend line, I go into 1 hour, I get again, or into a 50 minutes or into a 5 minutes, you know, and I break the market through step by step, and I come to closer to 5, 3, or 1 minute. And after I take entry trades, 3 minutes, fixed time off. So somebody else has any question, guys?
There's a question about Liberty. To be honest, it's just a different strategy. You know, Liberty is a different strategy. It's a good strategy, to be honest. The other day I was using it with Sava, and that was a pretty good strategy. You know, it's just a different strategy, more confirmation.
Yeah. Yeah, go on, brother. Go on.
Yeah. So Liberty, Millie Mills, she used that a lot. I think Ness, he uses Liberty as well, right? Yeah, it's a good strategy, to be honest. You know, it's a good strategy. But Cash Trap, it's easier to understand. It's easier to understand. That's why whenever a lot of beginners come to this, it's a lot easier to give it to you guys Cash Trap, because you just need to see the confirmations. Then you need to take the points, but you take the trade. The Liberty, you got to understand a little bit more the strategy. You got to understand those trading views. What's it called? What's it called? The trading views, the strategies on trading view, because Liberty, it's all the strategies that we have on trading view. So you gotta master that, you know, to understand a little bit more about Liberty. So Cash Trap, it came to, you know, just to take trades easier. You know, it's easier to understand. It's easier to take the trades, easier to analyze the graph. Okay, so that's pretty much it about, you know, the difference between them.
Yeah, like you cannot, you know, Cash Trap is even working, like Diego said before, more in consolidation, you know.
Yeah.
So there are different strategies, you know, is a different strategy in a different phase of market. But guys, just so you know, you don't have to pay for trading view and pay how I have paid $600. By just having access to the academy, you can use Cash Trap or Liberty. You can use them and you can put as much indicators as you can. Like you have this favorite thing as well. By using Cash Trap, you can put, because in a Cash Trap and in the other, how it's called, Liberty, you have access like the premium trading view, because it is from trading view, the charts.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Amazing. Somebody else has any other question? I can go 1 second. The middle Bollinger Band. Just a second, guys. Okay, so the middle Bollinger Band is kind of like the same as like is not that, how can I say, it's not as strong as the top and the bottom Bollinger Band. 1 second. So the same thing, guys. Look at this here. Even though we have it there, like what we look, the middle Bollinger Band, if it touches the middle Bollinger Band, we look, let's say if you touch it from down, we look more to push, to push up. Or if it touches from down to go up, it look more to push down. If it goes here, it look more to push. It's the same kind of how is the top and the bottom. And the same with stochastic RSI, guys. If you want to wait for stochastic RSI, look at this, because Mele asked me before about stochastic RSI, but look how powerful is this. So the same thing what he showed in a Cash App as well. This is stochastic RSI. When this one crosses down, is overbought, and it crosses down this red line here, guess what? You go for a put, and look what happened. 1, 2 candles, it pushed down, and you clear the trade. And it's the same thing. It's the same thing from underneath as well. It crossed up. Look, 1, 2, 3 candles. It pushed all the way. You started here, and you are right here in profit. You started here, and you're right here in profit. 3 candles, you are in profit. So the same way, the points that Diego was explaining on a cash trap, you can get it as well. Look here, it's crossing down. Guess what? You clear that trade, you take for a put. Or it's crossing up here, you take for a call. It's not like always it's going to do that. It's not like, oh, it's going to do it 100% of the time. But when you get all the other confirmations, like, for example, you get the confirmation of Bollinger Band, the confirmation of S or buy, or you get the confirmation of, you have the EMA in your favorite, the support, you have support or resistance, area, and you get stochastic RSI as well, you get that. Okay, so it's always based on 3 minutes. I see that like when I get confirmation, how long is that for? So the way how cash trap works and how Mati made this, it works more with the 3 minutes trades. Okay, so with the 3 minutes trade, the point is that we watch in a 5 minutes time frame, and that means the way how we take the trades, we take it for 3 candles. 3 candles mean 5, 5, and 5 is 15 minutes. But because we have the option of rolling over the trade, we put 3 minutes. If it doesn't activate straight away, guess what? We're rolling over, it goes 6 minutes. If it doesn't again, guess what? We're rolling second time and it goes 12 minutes. So it's near 50 minutes. That's why I have a maximum rollover 2 time. So it's nearly 50 minutes. And that's why you give time more to the market to breathe. But mostly what we trade is 3, 4, or 5 minutes. It depends what works best for you. Some people that it works best 3 minutes, some people 2, some people 4, some people 5. Myself, it does 3. Diego as well is 3, isn't it, brother?
Yeah, 3. Yep.
Like Mati Pips is 3, Yeah, we can explain some of there as well. Indicators, guys, just so you know, indicators, they are just indicators in the end of the day. They are extra confirmation. You always have to go and check the market which way it moves. But because you want to know those, you can come here at indicators, and I use this one. Actually, is already write it down here. DMI stochastic version 2, stochastic RSI, divergence indicator. This is with the settings as well. You can see here the numbers, guys. So you can take a screenshot. ECBS2. This is a good one as well from Ivan Cabral, the educator in our academy. He's amazing as well, guys.
Yeah.
He's amazing.
He's really good.
He's amazing. You can go and watch. You can go and watch his videos as well, guys. You're gonna be mind blowing. Maybe somebody else, any other? Please explain the breakout versus fake out. So breakout is when it break. When it breaks. Like, let me explain. For example. Okay, so when we're looking for breakthrough, like. Let's find somewhere when we broke through. Okay, here, for example, this is a breakout. Here we had the resistance area, and guess what? It broke out. Right here we had the resistance area. It touched the Bollinger Band, and what it did, it pushed up and it broke out. So here we might took a trade for put. It doesn't work. Or even work for a candle, but you see that it broke through, And what you do, you leave that trade. You don't need to roll over 1,000 times when you see that this one is pushing a lot up, and you take calls. You don't need to take any more puts. The fake out is the ones that they're trying to break, and then they come all the way back. So that's the fake out. They look kind of like they're going to break, but they're not breaking, and they're coming down again. So they break for a bit. Like, let's say this one, it came around this area here and it's pushing down again. So guys, you must watch the videos as well, like the educators, they explain even more. Like, that's why you have this academy. That's why you paying for this academy. And we come in here to help you a little bit more, to ask you some more questions, but you must watch at least 5 times each video until you get the understanding. Because nobody told us, like we watched the videos 5, 10 times, 15 times, because we wanted to become successful trader. That's the reason that we watch so many videos. So you guys should become independent and successful trader. You must watch all the videos in Academy. I say that always, and I'm going to repeat that always. And not only that, but you must go, like Diego said, the cash trap, explaining cash trap from Mati Pips. You can watch even this video that we made today. You can watch the videos that Dr. Josh Lee, Brandon Boyd, like sharing on. They are amazing, guys. You shouldn't miss their session every single day.
To learn, those two are the best. Brendan, Dr. Josh Lee and Brendan Boy, you guys gotta be in every single session with them. If you guys want to become an independent trader, and that's the goal. That's the goal for every single person here. You guys should be in the all of their sessions, because it's insane the amount of knowledge that they have about trading. Oh my gosh, I learned so much in their calls. It's insane. They're really, really good.
No, it's really amazing. And you guys, you've seen like how every Saturday, like we've been doing the training session, and you've seen like what kind of value we got there. You all seen that. You all seen that. So I don't know, maybe Diego, you want to add something, brother? It's been already on 1 hour. So guys, if you don't have any more question, we gave you one bonus trade as well. Actually, was the Euro JPY. If somebody took it, nearly 2 trades. What is USD CAD trying to do? Want to understand the movement. Okay, we can explain this as well, guys. Okay, USD CAD. Okay,
Hey,
sorry, did you say something, brother?
yes, I have a question regarding the Bollinger Band. So I just got a question that sometimes the candles, when they be touching the upper Bollinger Band, instead of, they coming down, they just ride along the Bollinger Band. So how do you like kind of predict that it's going to be riding along it instead of, kind of coming down?
You don't have to predict, brother. If you see they pushes, through the resistance area or the support area, when you see that it breaks through, that's why it's a breakthrough. You see they broke through the line. Let's say you had a look right here. Look at this right here. Right here, you probably had a support area. Okay, you took this candle here, it pushed a little bit up, it pushed down, pushed a little bit up around here, and it pushed all the way down. Another candle down, another candle down. So guess what? You're gonna start taking puts there because he already broke the support area. He already broke the support area, and you have in your favor the EMA as well, and you're going to see like let's say USD is losing power. So what you're going to do, you're going to go for puts. You're going to take it for puts. Sometimes how to recognize the best puts to don't take like put every second, like you can even go in a minute one, and you can catch the pivot points, so you don't have to go in every single trade. So what you do, it broke through just right here, it came up, pushed down, it came again a little bit up, pushed down, it was playing here, came again a little bit up, pushed down, came again up, pushed down, played right here, came again up, push again down. So it comes here, you might take it again for down around this area, if you see, but you wait, you don't go straight away when it's pushing a lot. So that's why you want to get all the confirmations. Any other question? Okay, I can stop recording as well. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna stop recording and then we can wrap it up as well.